Tired of spending hours formatting Jira Docs from scratch? Use templates to publish a polished page in under 2 minutes. So here's the thing. If you've been manually building out your documentation in Jira, spending way too much time on structure and formatting, I get it. It's easy to fall into that habit. But there's a much faster way. I'm going to show you how to open your project, create a page from a template, and publish it, all in just a few clicks. Start by logging into your Jira account. Once you're in, you'll see your projects listed on the left side panel. Navigate to the project where you want your document to live. This is the home for all your pages, so pick the right one. Now click on Docs at the top bar. This opens up the documentation section for your project. If you haven't created any pages yet, you'll see a big prompt that says Create your first page. Go ahead and click that. Give your page a meaningful title. For this example, let's call it Marketing Plan. But this could be anything. Project requirements, meeting notes, a product roadmap, whatever you need. Now, this is where the time-saving magic happens. Instead of starting with a blank page and figuring out the layout yourself, click on All Templates. I've tested this workflow across dozens of projects, and using templates is the single fastest way to go from zero to a professional-looking document. It just works. Browse through the available templates. You'll see options for everything from project briefs to technical documentation. Click the template that fits your needs. The structure, the headings, even the placeholder content, it's all already there, ready for you to customize. Finally, click Publish at the top right corner. That's it. Your page is live, it looks professional, and you did it in a fraction of the time it would take to format everything manually. So, the next time you need to create a document in Jira, remember, don't start from scratch. Use the templates. It's one of those workflows that once you know about it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Happy documenting!